expedited to the extent possible.
The research work on 41 different areas pertaining to traditions, culture, customs and practices of the Khasi community is nearing completion. This research exercise was financially supported by Chief Minister Khadc'S with a sum of Rs 50 lakh last year. KHADC Executive Member in charge of Education, Khadc'S revealed that the Research and Development Committee, which he heads, will meet on May 24 to discuss the status of this research project. Earlier, the Council had set a deadline of March 31st for scholars to submit their work.
Jingalam jong CM jongi ba penyat na kabata pan ka jingirap na I Chief Minister wide bat ka fund bada ka jing ai ka jongi sanpulak along ka jing kerku na kabata ka research mentang idang perkat ban song ka komiti haka absorber jong ta benai haka bangin yok ban ya perkat ban ya pano ya lani ban pa submit ya ka pre submission jam swabangin bangin perkut lani swaba ngin pediang ya ki research ki jomki haban pa le swa ka pre submission bada din kata ladang ila ka jipe jom komiti ka ibit ibang no sedang ni sa petip ski bakin pa final draft.
The Mamlo Chera Cements employee